With summer approaching, a lot of us are looking to improve our looks. Without wasting any of your time, we've prepared a rapid list of glow-up tips that you can implement to boost your attractiveness by the time summer arrives. Let's get into it. 1. Use ice cubes or frozen spoons to get rid of dark eye circles. 2. Fix your flat hair by washing it with conditioner every day and only using shampoo every other day. Also, use a heat-protecting product like argan oil or sea salt before blow drying. 3. Combine regular flossing with water flossing to keep your teeth clean and swirl organic coconut oil every morning for a few minutes to naturally whiten your teeth. 4. Pay attention to your tongue posture. Make sure it's always stuck to the roof of your mouth and that you breathe through your nose. That, combined with low body fat percentage, will give you that chiseled jawline. 5. If you sweat a lot, switch from deodorant to an antiperspirant. It will block your pores and prevent you from sweating. 6. Sleep on your back to prevent facial asymmetry. 7. Always keep a small fragrance bottle in your pocket so you can reapply it throughout the day and always smell incredible. 8. Never leave your house without a pack of gum. No one wants to smell your coffee breath or the onion rings you've had for lunch. 9. Try to drink 3 liters of water every single day and your skin will glow. 10. When you're working out, always train to failure. Intensity beats volume every single time. 11. Most skincare products are a waste of money. Remove processed foods and eat clean to achieve clear skin. 12. Get your daily dose of vitamin D. Sunlight will improve your mood, boost your looks and testosterone. Don't overdo it. If you plan on using sun protection, make sure you pick a natural option instead of those toxic drugstore sunscreens. 13. In a world full of goofy hairstyles, stick to classics. 14. The same goes for outfits. Don't fall for goofy trends. Stick to timeless, well-fitting clothes. 15. To effortlessly lose fat, increase your daily steps. Make it a habit to walk more. Simple tweaks like parking your car further away from the destination will help you get there. 10,000 steps would be a good goal. Start practicing these steps, and by the time summer arrives, you should be looking and feeling a whole lot better.